Hey guys, welcome to the weight loss part of the channel. Alright, we're going to talk about a few things about weight loss. Are you eating properly? How many calories are you eating? That all matters. Alright, so a few things you need to break down. When it comes down to somebody losing weight and you're really overweight, alright? First we got to check if you're diabetic. Alright, type 1, type 2 diabetes is a real thing. And if you happen to be in the obese section of life, if you're trying to get to normal and lean, you got to make sure that's out the way. Somebody that's trying to lose weight and you're diabetic and you're cutting your calories down, yes, it will help, but if you're not having certain sugar in your body, yes, it will hurt. In a way you can pass out, make yourself even more sick. So let's break that down, all right? So anybody that has those type of issues, you want to eat in increments every 2-3 hours. It could be something light. If you need sugar, it's fine, but it got to be something light. Yes, you can keep the calories low, but for diabetic, you need to put in some type of high glycemic or low glycemic sugar-based product in your body, glucose. So you need glucose in your body. All right. Now, the difference between a diabetic doing this and somebody that's absolutely normal, no health issues, just happens to be overweight. We're looking at a low glycemic diet. When I say a low glycemic diet, that means we put it in carbs, as in fiber-based broccoli, vegetables, low glycemic diet. That's going to keep you your key to weight loss, all right? Some people might need 1,200 calories, 1,500 calories. We'll talk more about that when we get into the macro side of it. So to just start from the beginning, you got the intermediate fasting. So somebody that's trying to lose weight fast, you do intermediate fasting. You got about a 14 to 16 hour window of not eating. If you're a male, I recommend 14. If you're a female, 16 hours, all right? It comes down to the body. Guys tend to burn more fat so they can get away with less hours. Even for females, when you're working that long, working on eating within that time frame, you got to be consistent, all right? So you start eating at 12 and you stop eating at 6 or 7. Say 6 o'clock, you're eating within every 2-hour time frame, small portions. Low glycemic, that means fiber, and that's it, right? And some type of protein, chicken, tuna, any type of white meat. You can have red meat only when it's early in the day. I don't recommend it at night, but if you have it early in the day, it's fine. You can have it every day, just early in the day. That's just the way I think about it. All right, so that's one way to look at it. Another way you can lose weight is eating straight from when you wake up. Your body fuels up when you wake up. Then you split it within a 3-hour range. You can have your snacks, like I said, low glycemic. You can add fruits as well, but not throughout the day. It will be early in the day, and you finish out the day with some vegetables, all right? No matter how the day goes, you finish with vegetables. You break down the 3-hour time frame. In the early in the day, you wake up at 6, and you have it at 9. Then you have it at 12, all right? Then you go from 12 to 2 or 12 to 3, all right? Then say we go 12 to 3, right? That's already 4 meals, 3 to 6, boom. 5 meals. Then you can do a 2-hour split, 6 to 8. That's if you force the 6 meal in. Only recommend that on workout days. If you're not working out, keep the 5 meals, all right? Keep the 5, cut it down. You still finish early, but you eat as soon as you wake up in the morning. But within that time frame, you eat X amount of calories based off of what your body type is and how much you weigh. That's how you know your calories, all right? So there's a few things we'll talk about when it comes down to macronutrition, all right? So from now on, stick to what we just talked about right now. We're going to talk about other diets. You'll find more through the channel. I'll speak to you guys soon.